Do you know who keeps our cities clean every single day? That's right, garbage trucks. Garbage trucks are big, strong, and a little bit noisy. They drive through the streets collecting trash, so our neighborhoods stay fresh and healthy. Why are garbage trucks so big? Because they need lots of space to carry all the garbage from houses, schools, and parks. Inside the truck, there's a powerful machine that squashes the trash to make more room. Crunch, crunch! The trucks are also super smart. Some even have robotic arms that lift up the bins all by themselves. Isn't that cool? But garbage trucks don't just throw everything away. They help with recycling too. Plastic, paper, glass, they all go into special bins so we can use them again. That's how garbage trucks help protect our planet. And guess what? Garbage truck drivers are real heroes. They wake up early, work hard, and make sure our streets are clean and safe for everyone. So next time you hear a loud garbage truck outside, give it a big wave and say, "Thank you, heroes of clean cities." Because without garbage trucks, our world would be a very messy place.